Baby snail. Maybe she's looking for his mom or looking for a food. Keep on crawling, baby snail. Keep on crawling, baby snail. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Oh, nahiya siya. See? Put it back, put it back. I gotta put it back. Ayun. Lumabas ulit yung ulo. Ayan ang haba, oh. Okay guys, thank you. Go, 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 go.